Hello, how are you? Welcome to this new video. Today we will see how to change language in the game Beast of Reincarnation. So, first of all, let's go to our Steam. When we are in our Steam, we select the game, we right-click, Properties. And we go to the General tab, where it says Language. We select the language we want to change. We do not select, and the game will start updating if the language is not downloaded. So, second method, we enter the game. We wait for it to start. We wait. We wait. We wait for the game to open. The game takes time to open, depending on how fast your computer is, how good it is. We wait for it to open. And the menu will appear. So when we are in the menu, we go to Configuration. We go to Settings. We go to Settings. The menu. Then, when we are in the menu, we go to Settings. We go where it says Language. And we select the first option. It is to select the text language. We select our language. And the bottom part is to select the language of the voice. And we press the E key to confirm. Confirm. And now we can play Beast of Reincarnation in our language. Video with pleasure. Greetings to all. Subscribe and like if it was helpful. See you in the next video, and goodbye.